Hi everyone, and welcome back to another quick drawing demo. Just wanted to show you this one quickly. It's the latest project that I've got going over on Patreon. There's 13 videos to accompany this. There's about 6 hours of content all in all. I'm working on my usual daily rounding smooth heavyweight paper, A4 sized. I've used a combination of pencils from the Faber-Castell 9000s to the Pentel P200 series with various leads in them. So this scene for me is really all about the light, the way the light comes through the trees and catches the cottage. You can see a quick sneak peek of the reference photo there. You see how the light sort of catching the cottage and causing sort of a halo effect around the lady's hair. There's a really nice light in this one. That's kind of what attracted me to this picture. So this is really just a quick overview of the drawing. Like I say, the drawing took quite a long time. It's quite challenging in parts. So, I've had to kind of speed the video up quite a lot here and cut quite a lot out. But there's a full tutorial over on Patreon, all in real time, with real-time narration and everything. Like I say, this is just quickly sped up just to show you a quick example of the project if you like it. And if you like this kind of style of drawing, these kind of longer, more involved graphite drawings, there's quite a few projects over on Patreon. I'll show you a few examples now. So these are all sort of random projects over on Patreon. There's a lot more than I'm showing here. There's tons of projects over there on Patreon. Watercolours, ink, graphite, big stuff for beginners, all sorts over there. That's just a quick sample of some of the sort of longer, more involved graphite drawings that I've done. So there's a range of different subjects and styles going on there, mostly based around landscapes, but I do other things as well. Like this one, for example, is a John Constable painting that I've done a graphite drawing of. So there's all sorts of different things over on Patreon for you. It'd be great to see you over there. It only costs £3.50 a month, and you get access to, I think we're on sort of 800, 900 videos now. I'm not sure exactly how many, but there's just hundreds of video projects over there for you to choose from. Like I say, I work in all sorts of different media, mixed medias, inks, watercolours, everything, apart from acrylics and oil painting. Most of my work is based around drawing, so if it's drawing you're interested in, I really think you'll enjoy my Patreon channel. Okay, I'll leave links to Patreon in the end screen cards and in the description below. I'll leave you to watch the rest of the video in peace now. So thanks very much for watching. I know this has been a bit of a plug for Patreon. I know that. I know some people get fed up with it, but hey, you can't blame a man for trying to earn a living, can you? Okay, so again, thanks very much for watching. Really do appreciate it. I really would appreciate a thumbs up and a comment and a share and all that good stuff. Okay, take care everybody, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.